That's your box. Pretty nice. That's what comes out of the box. Of course, your manual and your accessory pack. You can't pull these out. As you can see, they're zip tied underneath the bottom. So let me free them. So right off the back, I thought it was odd. This is the included battery. That's your charger plugged into a USB charger, obviously. You get it lined up and nothing. So I took another battery, one of my fixed wing batteries. And I don't know if you can even make it out very well, but the little light lights up. So let me unplug that. Plug this back in. Of course, nothing's happening. So that fueled me to check it voltage wise. Lithium batteries are pretty sensitive of going too low. So this is my existing battery. This is the new one. There's no kickstand on my tester, so let's see if I can get this to kind of show or something. Yeah, you can see that somewhat. Oh. Get the big bulk of wires out of the way. There we go. Might be better. Excuse the washing machine. Yes, my working area is in the laundry room. So you can see the tester there. I'm going to test the known battery. And I can do this slightly to the left, just to allow you to be able to see the screen the best. It's hard to do. Oh, let me go ahead and... Alright. Reading DC voltage now. Yeah, I gotta figure this out. So... it jumps up to 3.9. I don't guess you can even see it. Let's see if I can hold this with one hand. 3.9, because I kind of had it in somewhat of a storage area. You go to this new battery, and it's very unstable, but it's below 3 volts, which means, lithium 1.7 is dead. So I guess I gotta say, like, if you're a kid and you're excited to get this thing in the mail, and then you do, and you can't even use it because the lithium's dead and probably won't ever come back, that's gonna be a disappointment. So kind of gives you a bad outlook on the device before you start. This is a 3-something amp hour battery. Yeah, 350 milliamp. This is a 450. I think I have some smaller ones that are 400. I'm gonna just get one of my 400s, and it should fit. And then see if I can at least test the item, even though I cannot. Yeah, see, this is a 400. So I'll use this 400 just as only slightly bigger, but as you can see physically, it's a little bit bigger. So if the performance is not great, and it looks like it's because it's too heavy, I'll give it some extra points for that, but on the flip side, subtract some points for coming with a dead battery in the first place. Okay, so I noticed this wire coming out the bottom after that. I talked about the other battery. So it does come with 2 batteries, which I don't know if it covers that in the manual, but anyway, this second lead coming out, I can't even see the battery because it's under this hatch, but I guess that's how you change the battery when you want to. Which I'll probably get to eventually, but maybe not if it works. I tested this battery. It does have some voltage, so I'll go ahead and show you that. So decent storage mode on this one, but the other one came dead. So move on to the next testing step. Alright, as per directions, I'm going to turn on the remote. It's blinking. Turn on the device. Alright, we got some blinky stuff going on. Gonna go down with the remote as usual, and then up. Keep the light on, then please push. Keep the light on, then please push left lever up and down. Ready for flight. Okay, that's it. So yeah, both lights are steady. Alright, let's see what happens next. Alright, let's see what we're working with. Alright, the rotor started turning. That's a good sign. Went ahead and landed. Let me get this recentered and figure out what's going on. Not exactly sure how to drive it because you don't have a tail rudder, so okay, you can go forward. Okay. About to hit the fence there, trying to go forward, and it went backwards. Let me see. Alright, it appears to be doing some type of a headless type thing. So, I'm totally not familiar with that. And I have to keep landing because it's almost unflyable. Alright, so it advertised like a heading hole, but it is not doing that. And I have to keep landing because I can't, like, zero control over it. I can control the up and down, but as far as giving it forward movement, it seems to not be doing it. But I'm gonna give it a few more tries. I'm gonna see if I can get a little higher. Yeah, this is absolutely uncontrollable. Well, it came with a dead battery in the package. The other battery is good. I'm gonna go charge this battery or see where I'm at voltage wise now and see if that might make any difference, but I don't see how it could. It has absolutely no control other than throttle control. You can make it spin and go up, but I don't see any other buttons. I don't know. Let me try these other two before I get. I'm upset with the outcome because I just expected way more than this. Okay, after giving it some time, it's still extremely hard for me to fly because I'm used to flying the normal format of a helicopter, which would allow you to use the tail rudder to guide you around with your left throttle stick. But this only allows you to go, like I'm just bumping forward barely just to get it to do that kind of maneuver. And it does kind of give it a little back to stop it from going out of frame almost. But the right stick changes your rudder direction, which is odd when you're used to flying with a normal helicopter. So it causes me to not be able to control it very well. But as you can see, you could get used to this. I'm going to choose not to because it'll just make me crash my other helicopters. But it is flyable, not in your traditional sense. See how every time I drift a little bit, I gotta turn the nose because I can only go forward and back via the nose heading. So yeah, you could, whoa, it's got extremely slow turn rate when you're trying to maneuver two at once. I was trying to turn around smoothly and head back in the same direction I was coming from, and that just wasn't in the cards. So that's pretty much all I need to say about it.